Hello guys, good afternoon. Para mang may sunog. Ano yung? Parang may sunog. Anniversary namin ngayon ni Mister at walang ganap. And mag-order kami ng dinner namin kasi hindi ako magluto. Anniversary, orderan mo ako dong. Kasi ayaw naming lumabas. Bloated yung tiyan ko hindi ko alam. Magsalad ako, saba. At hindi nga ako nag-garden Thursday ngayon. Hindi ako nag-garden. Ilang days na lang tayo lalayas dito. And then ganito yung ang dami ko pang asikasuhin. Yun, madali lang pala doon maglinis din. So, which is okay kasi konti lang naman yung linisin ko. Ang pinag-alala ko lang is magluto ako ng chicken picada for Tommy bago ako alis. Yun, matagal pa guys, mga ilang 2 weeks. Magluto ako ng chicken picada and then ilagay sa freezer. So yun yung agenda ko para merong makain si Mister. And then ang dami kong mga iniisip guys na gagawin. Kasi gusto kong magdala ng laptop and then ang bigat kasi kapag magdala-dala pa ako ng laptop. Pwede naman dito gawin sa cellphone. Kaso lang kapag mag-ano ako kasi sa YouTube, dito sa ating YouTube, no? Kapag mag-upload ako and then sa Facebook, parang sa tingin ko matagal talaga ang uploading sa Pilipinas. Especially sa internet kung ano yung sa family ko. Sa tingin ko matagal. So kaya, let's see. Nagsuka si Habs. Nagshuki-shuki. You're always a good girl to Mama. Yes, you are. Even you are knowing you are a good girl. Aloy, intusoy. Alis na kami. I guess wala nang choice talaga guys kasi meron si Taming gustong bilhin. Magtabok pa kami tulay, no? At nag-ulan-ulan guys. Ano ng oras? 5:33 na ng hapon. Nag-ulan at ang ginaw, naghangin na naman. Palagi na lang hangin guys. Hindi ko na talaga alam. Alam nyo, iniisip ko dahil yung flight ko palapit ng palapit. And yung fear ko is lumalakas ng lumalakas. And then iniisip ko, fear is from Satan. So I have to be strong guys, no? Kasi talagang kay Satanas talaga yung kahadlok. So i-enjoy ko na lang yung ride ng ating lipad. So yun lang iniisip ko. At yun, my husband is acting up like it's a summer already guys. He's wearing this. But if it's summer, he's not wearing this. No. Yun. Ang dilim ng kalibutan. Mag-ano na tayo, no? Mag-order. Did you order them?
No.
We're not going to eat over there. Look at me. I'm wearing this on. I'll take out. Wala pa ko'y bra. Adoy. Hindi nagchinilas pa ko. Oh, grabe. Parang mag-ulan ata. I think it's going to rain for days. Right? Yeah, today and every day and Saturday. Can you imagine we're already 17 years, 15 years of marriage? You can't imagine, I keep imagining. My imagination is wild. We have a lot of fights going on. Not really crazy like other couple, but we have fights. Why you roll your eyes at it? You roll your eyes, love, again.
Yes.
Again.
I admit it, yes. Not really crazy, but I think.
We have fight, but not crazy like other couple. That we like the other couple move out, la la la. But you almost threw me out. Do you remember that?
I haven't told you that. You always say you were leaving. I
No.
just offered to help you pack.
Remember when you're working, honey? And then we have a fight? That was like first or second year of our being like...
You would sit there and say you're leaving. You would start packing a suitcase. We could
Did I? No, I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
No, you said pack your things and go.
No.
I don't want to see you when I'm home.
Yeah, okay.
That's what you said. I went crying crazy, honey. Honey, admit it, love. You say that.
You were always the one. You go up in the attic. Like, I'm pack my stuff. I'm leaving. I don't care. Packing.
No, I didn't.
You did so many times. Are you kidding?
No, but you threw me out once. You tried.
That was your go-to thing. Every time you got pissed off, you packed.
But we kind of we're okay now, right, love? You can.
Yeah, well, you stopped packing.
Anyway, can you just don't?
I just packed to go to the Philippines.
Hun, it was so different before, honey. I was crazy. It's about the jealousy I had. Because right now, I don't know. You go ahead and find another one, honey.
I don't remember the jealousy. I can remember something else.
What?
The Philippines.
What Philippines?
I remember hard.
What is in the Philippines? Because you were trying to cheat on me? Is that what it is?
No, when you were in the Philippines and without me.
Without you? What happened?
Some actor or something in the Philippines.
Wait, you wanna divorce me because of that?
No, just remember that you gave me your room
That's
number,
just a
your
cell phone
phone
number. What happened? Nothing.
Cell phone number,
Gee.
your room number. You're like,
Oh
why would
no.
you give that to somebody?
No, seriously? Room number, my honey.
Ay.
Seriously, hon? What do you think of me, a prostitute?
I'm just saying. I remember that.
Cell phone, I did. Number. That was an actor, Tommy. Oy, seriously.
I'm sorry. It's an actor. It's okay.
It's like having a fun doctor. How do you call that, honey? Celebrity. How do you call that?
Fling?
No, fling my hand. Han, seriously.
A celebrity fling?
Seriously, fling. No, there is a people that get so excited and happy to see a celebrity. There is a how do you call that in English? Star Trek.
Star Trek.
Yes.
You wasn't from Star
There's a lot of us in the hotel. It's like even the worker, because I know the people over there. Remember?
Oh, Starstruck.
Starstruck. Yes, hon. Not just me. A lot of people is with me. Ate Nancy is with me. Yes, she was with me, and she bring her son. She was. Can you fling? And you really wanna divorce me because of that?
No, I just remember. But you seem to always forget this stuff.
No, because that's nothing to me. That's really high on it.
It was originally because you didn't tell me and you apologize. Oh yes, it was not.
But be careful. Apologize of what? And you are the only man. You are it. Period. Actor. You think my face get an actor? Celebrity. Seriously, look at me. Look at me.
Look at me.
You are more good looking than that one. You are so guapo, Han. Very, very guapo. You are. What is this, Han?
What's that?
Hala. I have to squeeze that later. Looks like a freaking blackhead.
Is it?
Yeah.
Come out. You have to come in and you have to pick.
No, fish. Ay. Bukid, oh. Diba? Bukid, guys. Mao ni bukid na nindot kayo. It's really nice. And then dito kinat ang mga bato ba? Yeah. Gikat yung mga rocks diha, and then naggawa sila dito ng daanan, oh. At saka hala, trucks is allowed here. Did you see that?
Yeah.
And bridge doon, no, 'di ba? Kinat para magawa ng bridge. Kasi malaki talaga dito, oh. Mga ano? Bridge doon, no. Yun na yun siya. Ayan.
4 miles away.
Hello, New York. Hello, New York. Kumusta man ang New York?
Have you seen another place I'm way
Dito kami dumpster dive ni Brenda all the time. Oy, this area, oy.
I don't know what side of the street it's on.
It's in my side. So yon, si Mister nagpunta doon kasi nag-order lang siya, guys. Hindi siya nagtumawag. So ngayon matagalan talaga yan siya. Kasi yun, dito lang ako kasi ayaw ko talagang mga lumabas-labas. And also yung mga ganitong time, alam niyo bakit hindi ako lalabas kay Tami? Kasi every time na lalabas kami, iiwan lang din niya kasi ako, guys. Uupo yan siya, and then pagkataod-taod, mga ilang minuto, lalabas yan manigarilyo. Mag-start ng magkain, halfway ng kain, lalabas na naman siya manigarilyo. Non-stop talaga yung sigarilyo niya. So kaya ako, mas prepare kung sa bahay na lang kami, mag-enjoy pa ako. So yun pong ganap talaga. So hintayin na lang natin siya na. Uy, hala.
Change my.
So, marami daw tao dito, guys, playing bingo. color. So, wala, kung uupo ka doon, kung kakain ka doon, wala talagang maupuan. Kasi there's a lot of people.
Maybe to call back again.
Why, he called you?
Yeah, he's calling, telling me PH was calling.
So, yun, guys. Ito na yung order na tama. Order. Sarap siya, spicy, guys. Pero ang problema is ito siya. Kita ninyo? Dry. Look. Hindi nila nilagyan ng maraming sauce. Yun yung Masarap pa naman yung sauce. Sarap.
Little man. Little man. Hobbs, come here.
Masarap ang I like the spicy.
Little man. Come on.
I'm gonna give Tommy because
Done.
no, because the pasta, I rather eat rice, believe me.
You don't have rice.
I have rice.
Hun, that's it.
Pansit. Hello, Han, he's watching, Han. Han.
Yeah, but I put.
Ayan na naman tayo, guys. Masarap kasi ito, Well, how do you call this, honey?
Clams oreganata.
Clam oreganada.
Basically baked clams.
You can buy clam, guys, and then you bake it yourself. Put butter and
Chew
cheese.
all the way.
He doesn't like it.
You didn't even try it.
Ang sarap ng sauce. Sayang, konti lang yung sauce.